so my Roma. Maybe I'm in there, but
mentia na bo isan. Na de no no. Baba.
I said it dempa.
Dinu de me penny bonu.
Yanko na o ka say no wian be pie na.
Yeah. Kwata na ebenya wian from obabo ama temperature no be obi expected around 34 degrees Celsius. Na meka sa no prayer there we are bring them to 12 o'clock no. So special level coaster on the normal coaster and so one more kind more sacred from afin and then the recount will be and so go on now around 5 o'clock that is a book master and bottom and so you're going into sounds soon and I do there 9 o'clock on a wall unity. I did call Ghana taking from on Samarani at the moment. And so we here for Onoma and also the couple view was an important. And so sounds so no video will be here. Thank you so much. And so the same family in Dano. Not because the other obey great and actually and society for the bank which means because they are not
okay. Mira, me that's it. Yebe kasa say arrangement na no ana. No, ebe kasa. You are so me point ebe kasa. So, Matthias here. Me that's it, Mira. Thank you. Enti eno aye Mira do tie kunu. And then so nkomo no bia ebedi nso so ye. Okay, last 2 weeks ya de pani ba akotena se di nkomo ba how the health system na sitie. And how I mean health practitioners and penifo so mo attending to patients. And how so patients no so yen so ayafo no so yen so de na yen so ye omra en so no ye boy hoban sa na me nyina na ye nkoma ye didi because and say wo share ya report and croford de ba and said the Marfo call hospitals are omo edi omo nkomo after visiting the hospitals near the no ya na hadwen nti na ebedi sa nkomo no pani ne be sa ba me atena se ahwe na ye di nkomo no so ebiu Minia Kusi Benjamin. I say good morning, Sir John. I say Ghanaians already ya mwana womo. I say we've already eaten all the animals. Now omo Ebola nibi. So where is the sickness? Okay. Minimum wa o kandie. And Bright Mensa. I say good morning. Ya opoku. I say good morning, Sir John. Prince Becoin. I say good morning, Sir John. And I feel so. Mame here ohene Ibrahim Ba Ismail. Now, they are now all kind of allegation. I say, new MTT commander or airport runabout. When a driver phone in the year, in fact, and you cry on the or allergy so much scabu ho. Until him say regional minister and as a regional commander, ya word ya. And then for Madaroma, where the way allegation will be or boss cabin until more investigate my why. Airport commander me ankasa me boss commander account there with the MTT there but me sure so what definitely you take action na washe to investigate it na who said there enema city or honti wadaroma okay, so that is that. Enti yabeshe na yakoyenim ewo ho. Yabehwe ni yakoyenim ewo ho. Enti commander Adaroma we there there's a report coming. And now Nicholas Awure. I say good morning, Sir John. Would him say Enra? And so no Nanchia cause train accident ewa Accra. Oh, really? Minim. Or see Nanchia cause train accident ewa Accra. Okay. Minia yebe busemo ne hon so no. Yahweh said here. And also so esitia Daniel Ezekiel Ato. I say good morning, Sir John. keep on the good work. Need the audio ban. But your Facebook no bar. What do you share? No comment. So na BBI fine. Share na comment. Share na comment. Share na comment. Okay. And you advancing COVID advancing kumba. Ibenya brand ni ahwe why? COVID the la. Minia Kofi. Aha. The pastries here and the ano. Okay. Okay. Mama, I confirm it. Mama, so I confirm it. Say no correct. Eti wahu. Ya no. Here na. Okay. Anyway. See the yehu ni the ye kam. I just say. Na I read on open. Na me say tie an interview na me ne ye no. O say John nti. Nimdia ne ye ya dwene a ye kire no. Nti omo makosua there was those areas no. Omo nima na. O say nimdia no a ye kire. Any adwene a ye kire wo. I mean radio so no. Enti omo nim ana. Na ye beba ho. Sa traffic light here a connected or the free asokwa new road is so high kwa kudru Angloga Junction. The intersection na a war Angloga hon any before say ubedru Angloga Junction. Until this is the first one ubedru and sana wakwa kudru Angloga de no and the Angloga Junction de no. I am sure say Nancy driver for more complaining. I am sure. Because me ankasa observation my year and it said from bed 9:30 and opa 9:30 koka and a draw
87.9 Kumasi.
A traffic. Of course, there's a traffic light. Ebeboye na yetimi monitor movement because how intersection. Ndika how intersection no. The woman say car we beba. Now me drew ayi I me call port run about. Abo post office odi no. Enra me draw na nya adwuma. Enti basa da ba ni bia pekwan akọ. Enti traffic light na ye no. Yes, unregulated movement of cars. Movement of vehicles. Enti say yes, car way the free Angloga eba tiasima ba asokwa onyina ho say ebi onyina ho 30 seconds onyina ho 20 seconds. Now the onososo eko main one na oko no the only main no a ono o movie no ono no de no ye what time I set ya no but recently bebe 1 week in here or so be 1 week in here or so traffic no e build up from 9:30 and na many mpanimfo bi di nkomo. This is education me de mame ono se kwan no eye highway eye busier eye between 40 and 70 seconds and omo setting green light no and me understanding e was akwan we hu no eye kwan eye very busy and opay I check with nyabre pa gina ho say from enra na me start check here from this side and this side too. Me observation video we a wo hwe eye 30 seconds video. 30 seconds. Now the highway no omo free esoro ha koi. Enti anopai e free ben na e kono bon se traffic na start. Enra e ba sa bi mu fa so bolu ha. Na hon so build because e ha nko ha ma. This is my observation na anopai. Enti Urban Road for mutie me. This is observation yeah and it said when we are 30 seconds. Yes.
I see.
enti wo hwe ya just as an open na me here we video no ye 30 seconds me monitor say me hwe movement no and Urban Rose for Adewey.
Na 30 seconds the car so basically movie.
So that is the point. And it was nenti santi the see was almost say every set time no. Enti we a system we nya de bia. You see initially no.
The systems are built for human beings.
Yes. Anopa no na anoga junction ho timer insuo ne pa ya ye ho adwuma wa ha ma water Ghana water for ko tu ho. Na e build ho nti media misusu say because that ho de ne building nti no on be delay ha so that traffic no nti o ma ya wie dia then they should come and do it sa na me hu no because omo block kwan nti no na ma pressure akwa kodi ho nti say u delay ha no a na just say obviously omo wo ha no betima movie before nti wait 30 seconds.
So John, Bibi Aboko there.
Oh, nyame adom minua na so
Nyame adom. But me check for. You see, some of these things and you say you that jet na hard say you come say. Your common sense. Me I will say it as it is. Your common sense. Because baby nya had mu yadi. New road is one. So new road ni so na also ode kono. Den ya cars ni free baby na eba be shebo hodom na ape baby afa.
Exactly.
So who deny no access that's your friend is a traffic no start say build here and the pressure could see the other end so and na the kakwa sa na fe na kwa kudu baby eko and you see traffic no start say build here mama here who say oh Kumasi the sa that Kumasi the sa that a lower productivity knowing very well say yeah we certain culture be how we say every week here pay so culture na be so that is a year from Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And Saturday, no, a big business on its own. Now, the traffic asaba beshim. Yes, oh, you had the traffic, you had the traffic. When we have alternative routes, I bet you have far and you baby. Now, if you do point a person, but oh, yes, I did we are. One, you are giving room for drivers some in discipline, no more so other alternative. And to be one, and that traffic lights, the best say. Drivers back be find them way. Now police phone you no. Then obviously who want say driver be on kwan so other driver be find check who no be see wanim. Obo na yeye, we no hwe yeye. When be that trotro driver be so sa na plaka for so di twitwi na nasefo. You see, let us build a system for human beings.
Yeah.
Yeye nti na mo build a system no. Because some in predia sir na twa ba betwa mu ho no mo a ono nim traffic lights sa so black o sa so yellow sa so green o ono fa ho obeko utumi so fa mono.
Yeah.
But if you're doing something for a system for human beings, calculate the nature of the people over there. Now make sure so bet me adjust it to it. Now me waste your time where just common sense.
And you see, ideally, the education minya and say on highway 40 to 70 seconds. That's the education no. Penny back with the say oh yeah no 30 seconds. Just say what in crofo bebre womo journey so.
We adopted to him other culture. Abrofo do sa no mo yomo de. What the bar a hand say a different.
Yeah.
Look, I have watched a certain video what China, a traffic prone area. Careful baku or hand say another straight one or hand say. But only my baku are very interesting. Car baku kwa na okay vunu baku so akọ straight one baku kwa but the higher tier ho ase. We want to pile up on hono as a block kwa na crack. Over there, there's a structure, there's a system. Onim say, oko a place like Dubai. Omo kwa no portals be any so. I mean, most of their more quite important. Port will be any so. Traffic lights is so. But a new porno, yes, that's what I just say. Don't go beyond 80 kilometers. Now they also move also now walk up, papa. And also they come more than 80 kilometers. No problem. Oh, no, before so be free, near to ticket amount. Also, you bear my mintia. These are some of the system, man. We should start implementing them on our rules. You say 60 to 70 seconds, 40 to 60 seconds. And no, in our culture, it doesn't help.
Yes. And
in our settings, it doesn't help.
My chimpany for agency so. Say the way a quino a sofa a CIA bufuno. because a quan way me kaipa time ano mo be no e ta na mani bi o mo kan say traffic any sa mti na ma ampani Kufuor time mo start here mo hihye ma at the end of the day yetimi anya this
in any
highway,
case,
yeah.
yes,
very good quality road yenya quality road like this
in any case
enya de ose so
in any case say traffic lights we nyejuma na post for we bigina kwan ne so a ekwan o mo de ma friend say drivers wo mo kono emru 60 seconds emru 70 seconds no mo kano. So what is the point? And as I way you see my dream ho amenti ase baby a traffic light see near say the post for be bigina ho no mo baby a traffic light na say no na post for ni ho no mo and that say way it is a
clear example enra me hu bi
and that is
enra me hu bi wo aboabo post office or traffic light
yes
eya na MTTD for no omo egina wa wo do wo call airport runabout omo gina after baby a filling station
yes
now do you know ho nyina de omo checking say obi be crossing obi cross ya no mo o must stop him
backward
now traffic light no nya asat enre anopa na me twam ho no na traffic light no nya adwuma now I saw these MTTD officers wo mu gina baby so at a point me trimming san na me say officer na mo ko gina ho direct say traffic no enya adwuma
so
the essence of your presence should be that mo ko akọ direct but you see edu baby kra na essay a omu free ho
that is what I don't get it
essay pe no mo omo dwane free ho say right no say pe ubako hu omo ya kra we kra ye kan wase ebre bia na ebre bia essay ye ebre bia light we say omo ekọ ye na fe omo nyina omo nya ba ko ha post light ni ba ko
yes
ehode no na hode no eye adwuma na the other side ni ye
adwuma
nti omo po obi tesoro
police need to tesoro
obi tesoro ya wo no monitor nti say o cross ya no watwa de ascend omo a omo wo this end obedu on ye gina na you see say traffic light no say pe anko se nkomu gina on direct traffic no obako no obi anyina ho na driver for de omu ti hwihwim na we di twi we na
it's heartbreaking I mean
ade a enye
mind you say
system
o cross back wa police o man nsa so back say o ma 5 no so say ya 5 cedis no or the 2 ne ka ho 10 cedis or the na mienu ka ho de na che say o ko wani ma no so you see police onya man nsa so back say ya 5 cedis onya de mienu ne ka ho a 10 cedis nti bomode na so toto de na mienu say na so o yes wo begina wo nyina na toto de 9 say de no masa odeka. But you see, on a more serious note, you pay attention to some of these things, especially in the morning, early morning, productivity is very high, or productivity is expected to be very high because I know sorry all kwejuma or making sure say about to the name ya and wako now be free fear no wako di traffic so yes it's everywhere, especially Accra, Kumasi, Takrade. It's so terrible. Omo be think crowd put your mom take a crash by this time. So I feel the one sorry out to be in Kwejuma. So the question is that what are we doing? Yes, you're sorry. So yes, also complaining say Ghana is getting hard to say, but the level of productivity you person you produce within a particular point in time, you know, you can in the course of it. Because trafficking in any case, what has it cost? What has it cost us? See, I say, you more 2 minutes, 120 seconds, and 180 seconds. Now, I see from Munko, no Munko Yajuma, and then the BC.
And you know, your best say you for you. Urban rules for Monshe. Now, because it's unusual. I was it's unusual. 87.9. And when you we share baby and traffic and not build the baby draw.
It doesn't make any sense.
I irritate. If I knew you na Quebec say you no na cars no door so or kwan so near because obi a kwadwuma obefi no pass obi but we sabre by 9 na traffic no build up so nti no yenhwe na yen to nneɛma yie na bibia anya kama yen de yen say yakan mu betie no ma ye ho adwuma. Let's do it. Na driver for nam kwan no so. I am sure say driver for amutie ma no pay amufa kwan no so nyina no. About 1-2 weeks ni. And as nneɛma we are starting AC. So we need to talk about it. That is it. We need to talk about it.
Yeah, do. Everyone bisa wasembi. Minim se bia benya anu ya mamia. Wada romo na bibisa say Hill of Adochi project. Na de no mo jai. Ona wo ha.
Eno hu nsem no.
Aha.
Hu nsem no.
Akoye brofoka.
Enye brofoka na emu no.
Nti ha se twidi de cheche mu kire me. Se enye brofo na ye twidi de cheche mu kire me.
Okay. Recently there was an issue.
Free him.
A bar project no.
I don't free him.
AC kasemo ande. But I understand say asem no wo.
Yura ho.
Nti.
Na they say yura na ekoye lalasula la no de kwakoye project no.
Nti.
Na sikasem no ekofa hwan sase.
Oh, say I kasa de obi aka bia no we cannot confirm because
Ada akofo de omu hwajim. Amayofo no asati we bidi. No, because unim Sir John, for the last 2-3 weeks, my nante kofadoche pa because me mama yare mama de ne kohonomo. The pressure, the stress, the other adjectives I would be qualified or whatever be biano. Look, extremely frustrating. Extremely frustrating. Pa. But you know who you say? Sana komo ye nyema ni year and na komo give you room for some of these spaces am comfort me anya easy access to certain places nanka sa pressure we congestion we nanka enkoso and now pay just go to Kofadoche and see right now for yourself. The worst is happening and you see the other aspect and also class as also in your cry here and that's for no binom any other workers no binom the way and manner and attitude be on the patients of mobile hodomo no. And also see another issue. Enra, yeah, the poor madam call Hodomo. I met an old man in his late 70s. Means me more in age because my misano. But don't hear anything now. Don't hear the words in Honum now. So only middle 70s or in the late 70s. No quite lab. And he complained to me, say, I had almost said the stress in the dorsal. But above all, workers nimbi no so kasa nye. I agree. Say a human attitude, human institutions. It's there some of these things will come up. But say yera abo modern na yamanyofo. Ena obokoye sa ala sula la na kwaje bosia no mda ba betu omo ho abetwa mo no aka say ye ne yakwaje bosia say ye the expansion ye the ba be yakofo no chi ye nasefo na ye wura dwuma a ono fa to ne ho soso oye na say wakwakoye la sula la na kofo institutions and corporate bodies atimi amane kakra so o de ya enti de na esi kwan say ye nya project ne fa to ho.
So there is an audit ekoso until
that is obi awia bi that is obi discard bi so audit abamu dia that is obi discard bi
enya ni nyina na obi disika when there's transition audit bekoso.
No, but the transition there was a team so abamu in charge of the project.
Yes, enti
adamu dia sami edu buacheka ho.
Yes, enti when there's a need for auditor.
Yeah.
Until let's leave that one after auditing, we'll look at it.
Also, may read that. No, I am interested.
Oh no, I cannot tell you that. Baby.
I am interested.
Because we'll find out.
Yes, because
where it has gotten to, but I understand it is there's auditor.
Because unim, sisi amino kasei. Sa blog na children's maternity blog na akufado yes oba bisi no okoso akwaje bosi ade ato ho a covid time no kai na share dem a oni yewura ekotena so omu de aso bofo bo musu musi no so now yenye wiye sa na ba ko ne dan le bosum si ho no mo a omu de brofo akese be ka say elusu the structure integrity test e omu bubugu ye na akufado kokwaje bosi a ode akra mo no ekotena so say sa sika we do be attached not my money. Now, Sasika with the Baba yes, our project. No, me no, because the project is still marking time.
Yeah,
and no inquiry. What if someone see administration block for? So the new administration block for the Muslim starting and Nanakwabot and Mabreso. And that's what the Muslims say.
Okay,
it's if you go to Confanoche proper, almost everywhere is choked. But the most embarrassing thing is say, your other hospitals be one man and can me accommodate the pressure na e wo had musi no. That is the hospital side. Ye ka ho asema ye nya kra e mo so nwie. Na no friend say Kofi Aman kwa atwa kwa wo ba. Former deputy the first minister. Not maybe university ya. Na me maybe out ya. And I mean beside a specific question. Also October 2024 no more Afari Military Hospital. You know Afari Military Hospital defense I say.
Yeah.
Oh near we the dada. Na university maybe abeti. And odo so say had mu say. Near ye hu bibia wie. And as we speak, what is the state of Afari Hospital?
Until we look at that. Now, yeah, said here, and Nema ACT or a good question, sir. Ye bisa and I no pay. But your Facebook ni Akoma 87.9 FM. Kofi Kwatin or say Sir John, a friend chairman KK. Abbas Jansi taxi rank. But your I say, can I have your number as agent? But your and I have a studio line not so na.
Also pro number one got to do like.
Studio line too so.
What is this?
Evans, good morning.
Good morning. Sir John.
Chairman KK made na ya fato so ofra na waje number no why chairman the better so na send number si na dey to Evans, good morning.
Sir John, good morning.
If you have a call there.
Oh, Olumai was free ya you no nanso so Sir John say you home from but your home from so it tells you one thing say to me in eura and okokroko Sir John ye danase. What else can we tell Uluman than to thank him and continue to pledge our commitment and dedication and say yebe koso atsani nyunase.
Yeah.
Na ya somo because edi nyame fufu bia nyame akanyina ye nyame hunu ti said your boss ro boss as bo me ono pe eni nyame ba ko pe it said John ye dana say ye beda mama chia papa so reverend omono mama nana mwama hene na PV afin ma chia tifo nyina na anope me ba no na mo kasembi e strike me pa eye okay cry the EB Crensel nyom no ebemu Sir John it means my share our story we were had briefly mekai na me free Turkey Istanbul eba Ghana from Istanbul to Ghana is about 6.5 hours, maybe 6 hours 30 minutes. Now Sir John, about 5 hours into the journey, no. Mami bi not menche no free Germany. Metimi aka say 5 hours into the journey, ni na ye enkomo. Sir John, woman no ye woni ho. Na time or this sika says or the brand new offer no. Na satana German for the Dutch mark. What is can buy mani bi si mu euros na still so e dis can buy. On the on time back. In fact, no mampo. So there was a time here in Adrian, so we paid the sika kese their brand of another projects. Starting mu euros no. Sir John. Se woman ne boa me boa. Or say what this sika ne brand new offer. Any 1 month na no offer ko wari obaba ko kan ere ho. Sika ba. Sika ne bedru ye na o. Ni offer no ko wari obaba ko e de be kan ere ne ho. Sir John udi akire ba Ghana se bi anka obehu project no what they are wo and a call back to Germany. Enti oba Ghana bia no mekumase. And offer no kumase obokro no se ofori kumo sen. Oba bia no oma. In fact there near nyina ye ba ye lande kuto they say Accra International Airport. Ye lande ho. Okachem say onku kumase. Obeni time near o ye kumase ni ba wa ma me so ma oh Sir John wa ma any the fear any even to the extent say no for no cry no because no in bibia one friend no mama wamba it is Sir John eya na busuani mu bi no It ye obi oha wa abusuam but say o abruchire o ye japade a nadamfo so any bi e ya ma no because o discuss brabusua nim discuss ne brabusua abusua bi de na nsen a ya enua kra ni nua baako US na obi ba na wama no ne ma bi se won fa mesi ni offer ase baako so no fa mo obi ade na yira na ukobusa
Ade na okay.
mi si wa unya se mbo wa unya bi hu
Oh, okay.
aha
Okay.
ayira so eya na e ha adwen but you see say ebusuan mu bia mo yesa no eya bro hwe mami ya
Wudie.
wudie mami ya oda ho UK me de ho de me mfa ho da nanso so utie se ne ho no ankasa ho no bre wo ho na nipa na ebo ne ho modin eye de obetimi bia no de sika ba na utimi de sika no ba ko hwibra wo de hwe edan no sibma no na wo de fa betus na sibi
No. Wo ya ne sa asem bia ne fie o.
so sibma no fa betus na sibi but wo de wo fa de nyina just say wo bu nipa no abre ne sum why but yeah masa enye easy no they are not finding it easy over there where yes abroche bia ya abroche na mom ya muntie baby a wono muntie o masem until recently I didn't know say I wanted to meet chini pa who said ditia omhwehwe those big gloves no womansa no who expose unsa no to awa itimichi wa na sana say and they are going through all this na onya euro kakra de ba say oh fato asase bi ne fa bibi mame onya dollars kakra de ba fato asase bi fa bibi mame because kuntunwane a di nchi neba aboa bia ni wo a wo wusoro na ne takra akasoro ho aboa wusoro ana takra aboa mpo owusoro a ne takra e ba fom no oba
Ayi wa dami o si nsuo no mfa no.
yes
Nsuo yi we
because ni wiase nyina si
nsuo fa nipa
because ni wiase nyina si so enti abusuafo no
kwantimpom nsuo
ye besere mo
Are you serious o?
ye besere mo
Are you serious?
ye besere mo so ti ase we born you say abusua te se kwaye wura mu a ase wo akira aso mu bom wura mu a no se dua bia e wo bebi esi enye kra na abroche for no mo bre mamu nni omo bonesa se John mawie now mi so be kan nantwi asem no nantwi no di asem bio se nantwi no eno a ye tena ha kan no mo se nantwi no ti se ye pressure duro anaman kan ofia
Onso manye sa
okay fine mi be chirem Ibrahim say mi tumran ma chesi emi nwanwa se onya meduru a Ibrahim say emre bi no omo ko baabi omo ne pani bi ko baabi eno mu say obonidin omemonidion jebi okay
o se ala
ajebi mi kra ne na me pese maybe ba se ko se be atie
wo ko to the dia na wa mo bi e say sa no kan
wo se me di kakra be kan ho ti am be se me ko ti
wo pese di bi kan
eno de eti wo se
wo pese di bi kan
me di kakra be kan ho wo se wo ne pani no emo etu kwan no na pani ni pressure wo 250 afa dia me tinam se me kakra be kan ho so ma modin no mankutu ukutu a me ba me make inference titi me make inference
enyi bi mfiri mfa bi nka
ti ase ba nya trust na make me make inference me go to Bible me make inference na nipa ne pressure 250 wo hu na ntwe no a na te ba 120/80 it is in ntwe ye pressure do na so ka kire me say na ntwe ni nam kromu a manfo anigi a enya pressure na look ade pressure duro ba ko pa ye ni je eti
ose nkwada no hu ono
yes na da kura nya pressure kokofa no chiko na sa da na ye a child fair by it came out say enkura wo pressure enkura ni pressure na ti kura hu na so mani adia some pressure na ba fom
we de ewu
oh another pressure nkunipa
na me si we na ntwe we mu de ewu
dabi tie
na me ka se suntra so no na ye se ye ka no na ye ka wansam na no
and also mepa o say
no me see in a contest
in a contest na ntwe bia in ntwe enu ameka cho say na ntwe ya aboa etisa na che dia me mi wonkrofo bi ho mo oni gipase jata be nanti krum etinke nkozu nkoyi jata ne mra krum ena ase da bi ende ene say nye yie ba meka cho say na ntwe ya aboa jata ya aboa ntontom ya aboa so dia say di na ntwe bia ye na ntwe
Ibrahim oba no be
bia na ntwe enti eye
ozo wo twensan
ho twensan eye ye ma mo nam krom na reduce pressure esi ebe kakra no ye be okọ hospital now ba ma menka masem amwie
wo yes ade
ebe kakra no okọ hospital na pe pressure dru a ebe ka say esi kore na ntwe but that's what Ibrahim said
you see wo yes
jebi
no ti you see
Ibrahim anka say ebi mo ho say na ntwe na mkoma na omani age
ono no in submission but
wo fa wo me ya say o ni
submission now they are generalizing common na meba no ama as one man akwere to say
okay
in fact the air can you know now no the air can be become on try na digina
me hu say
watch aside
me on twensa me hu say ujima ma Ibrahim pi musa question baako
me nyina mu man ba me say say wo de no ebe justification say Ibrahim akasa ntino
justify
no Ibrahim akasa ntino
don't put words in my mouth
Ibrahim akasa ntino
no don't put
Ibrahim and justify say
don't put
because for the German or say a true sa period we no omo ba be ye salamati
Mr. emphasize asem
eya na
emphasize asem mbrem the Ibrahim kind say me this wa ba me say ball rewind je for Ibrahim aba me ball rewind enu aye ka na ntwie ensem Ibrahim say embe no ne pani bi ko ba bi ne pressure na do 250 panini hu na ntwe no ano na ni gye okocheke ni pressure na drew 128 it is say no by virtue of that no na ntwe pressure drew kese pa but an operation so otia se ka se na ntwe bia kodi awu
ewe suntra so
na wo se ka se ye wo na ntwe odi awu ene wo na ntwe awu ni awu na make it say you are wrong because tie na enu ameka tro say aboa bia ya aboa na ntwe ya aboa jata ya aboa ntontom ya aboa opuro ya aboa baka enti say obi hu na ntwe na sene neje dia mimi hu jata manage pa na yenkrofo bi omzu hu jata manage exotic animals etieni yenkrofo jata na omwo zoo no nyefo megu krum se ne be ya obi su hu ono so ani beje but ye ne say enye yi listen yembese me kamane ko se ne say adia enye no na enye there's no country a developer okay ube on se nantwie any nipa enam friends say krum and not just krum principal street for that matter so just here there's no justification every nantwie bia must be ranched nantwie must be ranched yenfa nantwie enhyehyɛ yenkreti ranches yenfa nantwie ngum ana say yenyi omko outskirts yenye nantwie wo krom
yo
aba
mawie Ibrahim
Sir John
na ho ye de
yanko pada ma ne fiada me krada nti ne se me she white cravat
minim se
je bi dem so a she okoyi an
I mean oba ye krom hanu mudia fiada bia eden ya me hwehwe posters na me hwehwe posters eden ya
na ye much rigada
anti ko much bia na aboma
anti anya kra no sisi na bench black na se wo ti be kwa kujana ede de me na me hwehwe posters o hwe
wabo aho asie
o se na de ba kwa wo mo e ba na ye de pa yes ajolof na mu wusie no Jollof musi.
Why family ne kodi jollof?
Oh,
Yasi jollof kona za we say ni manager say.
Mini.
Oma anye ni fie.
Mini. Ba me pe ne wusi wo mu no ejina. What's that? Can you know say sa akra na ye di zogumu no. Ni epum.
Kura.
Ni epum. Eti wo no ma o ti wusi no wo mu. Se sa na jollof no person wo fie de ne. E so ti wusi no wo mu.
Yasi jollof.
Bidonya me. Edewu.
Eju de wa bo aho.
Friday bia me she black.
No.
Friday bia me she black.
I say salami the way I chin no different from any other meat. And no angwana e dey
over PVC uni my dear over PVC uni my dear pa uni sa jollof no pa
jollof dey
anyway
make sure say be the
veterans
senior bed this no what's there no we make sure say jollof na me no we say be esa ye ni o
Ibrahim ebia I don't know.
Sir John, maybe I can comment, but we have to set certain records straight. Akoma na yeti suno. Oba Asante Mantema, one of the biggest platforms. Penimfo tie no Evans HR, whole Professor York. Oko medical school, KNUST. Senior lecturer. Omu ina enya abutreti. Enyo no nkwa mpenimfo etie nti we a big platform. Nti o kasa.
Omba be boy abaso say. Mo ya ade na ye ba betia mo. Nti bibi o ha o say
obi kasa na o coach na coach him right. Sir John and I discuss say nentwiase. Say omoba we all condemned it. Obi enu a o kan. The maker say me say around this period nanka a Muslim dominated areas ni na ehu omukra de anka enye problem because drew this time ankwala hu a omonije. That is not to say sana debi na say I don't run from it. Eye feeling na ye di nyini free. But that is not to say mektina platform kesiye so justify say yemma nantwie nam krum because me can say assemblies no okura de sha say no ka say o na ye ka ya honorable amokamel o si wantina platform bia so anka say ye be chi nantwie nti say ebi nam na ye onchi omo a we can't blame you and I make say assembly bia by law wom say we don't allow animals to stray. Ye nja mwa mo ne number sabasa me ka say swapa no utimi even within zongo communities I see enye mwa no o wa etimi ka so mo bo no bia de ne mwa hihye dem ube on say na ka eba ehun say aboa bi nam kroma na atam ne de na hyem nti wo no assembly bia bylaw say you make sure say we don't allow animals to stray and say ye chi omo a why ye wo de ne boka one ma district all assemblies
including Ghana have all assemblies including Muslim community
say I can assembly community no you are
no but you see that is the context
say I community no no mu be me be say samwa that is not to say o say jamwa no mo so the na me can say omuni nam no enye nanka around this period cry maybe period ne kan e na omunam cry na even though enye but no utimi eti ase kakra because
you drew
period na you drew but that is not to say e was say ja omunam even within the communities because community bia akwa yeranche omo ma your community no ehun say
because if it is for marketing purposes there
me to say
yes if it's for marketing purposes there you nim say you can kenye tie benya tomato at any point in time.
Who said say even in our settings, you say idea we no. Say ne o say you know. However, the entina mrano because you say people will still flout the laws. And our court crown say me no we now can commit the same crime.
Yeah, sure.
But you be kono verdict na sentence no will be different. Because maybe you show motive now the here e kwan e fa so enti enti na nipa mienu timi kum obi different baako ye beka say murder baako ye beka say manslaughter enti nipa na ewu by murder no unu o call for life ana unsu no ebetimi aka say ba manslaughter no na ebetimi atwa mfie ama maybe 10 years 15 20 enti bibia no contest is very key enti esi we so obi betina so ekasa as if Ibrahim is justifying there means so say medical boni and omo tie nso ina anim one enti it shouldn't say I say he's justified and at the American kra American pay no and also American in contest me see ye twa na man kan no say kro me see e call community bi no hu okay so ohu ye onaniji no so opeonan because we are entering into sala energy there
and say aboa no so nti nkonya
exactly I mean say me man kan say me ko hu mu bi omukra do mo no ba me ko me price na me ba track here 65 70 80 100 100,000 aboa ba
unya colleague bia oka sema na uni ho no be say wachi a ebi ne uni ya Fabia Alabama
what say the chipoto oba eye we imagine say na me yare na ma kwa assignment
what's up
na ga de won tie nra no papa shi ase ka say Ibrahim pan so de
why ase ni
papa shi ase ni
ampa oni obo say John ye de ade no
o ba de
unti mi mbemio o ba bi o ma so ya seti ade enji say animals there efia ya enji na me say enya asem bia no na ebetumi ayi argument for and against say animals there and now you say nra parliament park one of e dey aba na wo kan ka okudi asem kan o ma suggestion say e was say ka
commercial break
cattle market no
mebo papa shi
ni mama closing it down because omukọ kwan no so na eyi because a pose threat or mention ka okudi to be specific
even na ka okudi wo ho the man ye ahontesem kra ne say e ho no mo traffic na ye I think about 4 or 5 intersections no 6 intersections. It's about the sana a very, very difficult. Then the hormone, the beer no traffic or hormone. The beer traffic or hormone. It is a hormone there's so much me manage and ye pa dia. Okay, I'm going to confirm Papa Shia for the beer with the hormone. Oh, me cham hoba. My young was a Papa Shia sitting there. I also rather.
Me ban me introducing you. Me ban this here. Me take it.
What's to take side away.
Obutentin no se say de what do
enyemia asedan kwama angel rock mixer aboa me pa ma wreho sama dan me adigye tutu sisi yare no na asan ama me hoodene sonko me kire vitality and energy
wait there utika usisi yare ne de ye kan de kese wutie
hi man ampa ba de me ho na me no kasa no da ho koi
me ko sisi a
se obi a wode de yo koi our pharmacies and herbal shops. Now, what do what friend number Simubia 0244 186 612 and 0244 832286. Afe 0244 719230. A painful a bad one more money for any quadra when you feel you train come.
Angel Rock Mixture, the Kasama, FDA, Aji Jadi and Kratoyasu.
Branch elections now open. Udinsa, party in Shishayamunum, Yesitiano, Yesi from the one ecopim 1 year. Many years and to see a Fahuka, you bet say, Mamma, you call Mamma, any Mumpum, enemy among Yamaku draw out with the Gina NBC for Ukromono. Yemi Sododo, NTN, me if you're brave or so. Many Akoma and to say, I feel a branch elections are ever because one. Let us say, Yansu, Yanu, check a car a beba, Nayefa, and now Empo, your car a benina, and see a system. And once Nasi only shake crown of the panning, and see a few say branch elections are ever because on the 2nd of May, the woman say May so a year. Emma yeda awofo yeda emabunu yeda obebiam me ewoda esan say so ni mu na ye celebrate Emma kukudufo bi te say wo eneme enti in the month of May 2nd May okọ branch on ma woto abana na we pick your form say okogina for women organizer efia breye ose minimini aba asantoa yesi yetawachi dodo enti ade ba kwa ye de yama wo hu say yetawachi ne say branch elections now okon udinsa party nhihye mu no yesi tua no yesi ye fa ho ka from day 1 ekopem 1 year enti say udins no the party can say won't pick forms not as women organizers na mo betia 1 year dues mini asanto ase ya fa ho ka nyina ye betia ama since we 6 months and also so ye betia ama na we form no so registration fee ka ho no and also so mini asanto ase ya fa ho ka na ye we say na nwie yo chen esanse Mother's Day no after never package ahoro aye wo no ye de be ma na wo and all women organizers are moving our branch beyond. Yes, it's a contest. Let's say you two are very now we a branch women organizer for that very polling station. Now, me if you are brave or say, you name me Akoma asantoa. Yeah, for worker. It's your very reimbursement. It's every woman organizer bia or the winning a polling station bia and as a branch beyond. Black. Na yamfa usika oboka no emma usika no eno ni wudi so ntia up to 1 year any registration form for tiaka inna nko we na okoje oba tampefia boye mini oba tampaket wa ye say we nko ye dadwen and who see empower women in Ofoiko na ma mo na mo ka biewo osi ahini ni etu ahini me mama yiko me mama mo ye da masini makokudu a mo de agina yechi ye da mas
the tieni ayaba ye tieni say sami unye hwe me ni advance nkomo ha madwen de sami na mame you know so me section
87.9 Kumasi
ba me hwe se bia enwum we na sami enwum we na aka ewe ya